Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer. If you are new here, welcome. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for clicking on this one. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions drugstore edition, and this full face will be all drugstore products and things that I haven't tried before, or if I did try them before, it was years and years ago. So it was really fun to film. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see more, then just keep watching. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with an oldie but a goodie. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. You guys, I used to be obsessed with this when I was younger. So the reason I got this cool ivory color is because it was a little more pinky. Is it gonna come out? Okay, I'm just gonna do like a triangle under my eye. This is like really light for me, but you can like pounce it on like this or like swipe it. I'm just gonna see. And I'm just gonna put it everywhere that I would normally like highlight my face because it is really light. Okay, and what I've learned too that I really like to do is let my concealer just sit a little bit. I feel like it gives it a little bit of time to just kind of process, and like, I don't know, I just feel like the coverage gets a lot better as you just let it sit for a little bit. So while I do that, I'm gonna do my brows. And you guys, can we take a second for my eyebrows? I'm so excited, you guys, they're finally growing. I've been loving a more natural brow because they are getting bushier. That doesn't sound like cute, but I like them. So today I'm going to try this Maybelline Soft Brown Brow Fast Sculpt, it's called. They make doing your brows so much easier because all you have to do is swipe your brows with them. You don't have to like film it or anything. So like lake days and stuff, or even just like going to work or whatever you're doing, it's just a lot easier. So I'm just going to swipe this through my brows. Ooh, she's dark. Okay, it's like really pigmented. Oh, but I like it. Except for the front part. Don't start in the front with this, I would say. Start like more towards up here. It like gives you like a soap brow look with just this. Like I really like how it looks. I'm gonna clean them up because they do look a little bit dark, I would say. But yeah, I think that this would be really good. Maybe get like a lighter color. For soft brown, I feel like this is more of like a medium brown, but I think it still looks fine. I can get away with it, and I am gonna clean them up a little bit. So let's go in and blend this concealer out. You guys, this is tripping me out so much because it feels dry, but like it's damp. It's just like the velvety part of it, but okay. Okay, coverage. I'm gonna try spraying it with this because it's just like really throwing me off that it feels dry. Okay, I don't like this. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like that it feels dry. I feel like it's just really not helping the situation out. So I'm gonna use a brush. I'm just gonna go in with my Jeffree Star little concealer brush and finish blending it out. Okay, the concealer though really covered up a lot. For it being a drugstore concealer, I would say it works really well. The Wet n Wild Photofocus, and it's in the translucent powder. I haven't found a good drugstore powder, like loose powder, that I really like yet. It looks a little bit yellow for being translucent, but that's fine. I'm gonna take the sponge for this though. Just ew. I took like a deep breath while I put it on my eye. Don't do that. I don't like that it says translucent, but it's yellowy. I'm just gonna use the rest of this and just set my face with it. Yeah, and it feels really lightweight too. I like that a lot. I'm looking so washed out. We need some bronzer on. And I got a new bronzer. Actually, I got two. So I got this Physicians. That just sounds like a very weird word if you say it too many times. Physicians Formula Butter Collection Weylie Hang, I think. Hoang? I'm not really sure. It comes with a highlighter, blush, bronzer. This is what it looks like in the pan. Just this shade right here. And just put this where I contour. It's really pigmented, but normally I'm a lot tanner than this, so I wouldn't be as afraid to use it. I would say anywhere from like light to like a deep tan, you could use this, so that's really nice. Now I am gonna go in with this new L'Oreal Bronze Please and Latera. It says Sun Powder Face and Body, and I got the shade 03, and it's a huge, like this is the size of my hand. Huge bronzer. I think this was a little bit more expensive. I'll have everything linked down below with prices and stuff. I'm just gonna be using this fluffier MAC 135 and just swirl my brush in this, I guess. I don't really, it doesn't look like very shimmery. I thought it would be a lot more shimmery, but I mean, that's fine. Okay, and I'm gonna go above, like on my cheekbones with it. Okay, I can't tell that I put any on. I'm gonna dig deeper, I guess. Oh, shnikes. Help! Ah! I don't love it. It looks very orangey, and I feel like you wouldn't use this on your body. I thought it would be really pretty because I thought it was going to be like really shimmery and pretty, but I feel like this is just really matte and really like orangey, but it might look really pretty when you're tan, so I'm going to keep trying this. Okay, I'm going to try this Maybelline Cheek Heat Cream Blush, and I'm breaking all the rules because you don't put creams over powders and blah, blah, blah. So I am gonna go in with this cream blush. I got in the shade 20 Rose Flush, and it's just like a little squeezy tube. I hope this like doesn't fail because I have, oh, powder on. Oh no. It's like, eesh. Ah. Okay, that was a fail. I'm gonna try to put it on the back of my hand first and like warm it up and see if that makes a difference. Swirling it around. No, terrible. It's taking off my foundation too. Okay, let's try to have a few more winners here, please. So I found this Makeup Obsession Isn't It Peachy blush palette, and I thought the packaging was so cute. It really caught my attention. And then I looked in the inside and I was like, she's cute. So it comes with 4 blushes, 3 mattes, and 1 that's called Glimmer. And this one, I think I'm just gonna go in with this Daydream. It's the lightest blush, the lightest matte blush, and just see what that looks like. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Bloom, which is a little bit darker. And I think I like that better. Yeah, I think that's really pretty. This shimmery one in here and see what that looks like. I'm gonna just go in with this fluffy brush. Ooh, that's really pretty. Yeah, I like that a lot. I'm gonna like put it on my eyelids a little bit too. I'm gonna go in with the highlighter in the same palette and see what that looks like. It already looks like pretty highlighted, but I want more. Okay. It looks just like very wet. Yeah, that's super pretty. I would get the palette just for this highlighter. But I mean, the rest of it is good too. And I didn't get any eyeshadow palettes. I just didn't see any that I really liked. I'm gonna take this big bronzer and come under a little bit with it too. And I am gonna just like contour my nose really fast. Maybe I'll just take the highlighter instead. I am just gonna hit the inner corners with that too. For mascara, if you watch The Bachelor, you have heard about Maddie's eyelashes. And I'm so annoyed of everyone saying that they're gross because I love them. I think her lashes look bomb. They might be a little bit spidery for people, but for me, I think it looks really good. I got the same one that Maddie uses, and she uses Maybelline Lash Stiletto. Black tube, red end. Just coat my lashes with this and see what it does for me. Okay, so that's with one coat on, and I think it looks really pretty. It is a more wet formula, so it is a little bit messy, but I don't mind that. And I think it actually looks a little bit cute when it gets underneath just a little bit, like a little bit smudgy. I would say when Maddie does it, she definitely has more than one coat on and curls her lashes. Okay, so the eyelashes today that I'm going to be using are the Ardell Double Up Doubles. So what I like to do is I'll just peel it off, and then what I do is I stick it around my finger like this. It's just like around my finger. It looks like a caterpillar. Just because it'll get like the curve a little bit more and break the band up a little bit. I have them on my fingers. And then I'm going to be using the Duo Lash Glue, which is my favorite. I just got a new one because I misplaced my lash glue everywhere, and it's so frustrating when you're ready to put lashes on and you can't find your glue anywhere. So I got another one. So I'm just gonna put some glue on here. And then I'm just gonna set it down and let it get tacky and dry for a little bit. And while it does, I'm gonna go in with my lips today. The lip product that I got today is from NYX, and it's called Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Polish. And it just looked really pretty. I didn't even know it was plumping, but I'm all for it. And it's called Brunch Drunk. I can't get it open. MAC Stripdown. Looks like this. Okay, it's stunning. Ooh, and it feels so good on the lips, you guys. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's starting to tingle a little. I'm gonna put more. So pretty. Okay, I love it. Okay, it's starting to sting a little, but not bad. It's just like, just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put my lashes on. Okay, so to end this, I'm just gonna spray my face. Okay guys, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do any more first impressions, let me know what you guys want to see next. It was really fun to make. I've never done a first impression, so I'm glad that I did it today. And I'm actually really surprised with how much I liked today. I think the base looks freaking amazing for being drugstore. I think the highlighter looks amazing, the bronzer, blush, everything. It looks really good. I'm obsessed with the brow product, which was really surprising to me. I would probably pass on this one just because I know this one was more expensive too. And I think that you'd be fine with just getting that bronzer palette that I used. But also pass on the cheek one. I just didn't like it. It was very hard to use. It might have been different if I would have put it over my foundation right away. But I just wasn't very impressed with that. But after those two things, I think the rest of it worked really well and I will be using them again. If you guys want me to do like a high-end first impressions, we could do that too, or just anything else in general that you guys want to see. Favorites videos, fashion videos, makeup, hair, more sit-down videos, more vlogs, anything like that. Or if you have a completely different idea, let me know, comment below. Also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, and subscribing is completely free. All you have to do is click the button and it just helps me, and it helps me grow on YouTube, which is one of my goals. So if you guys want to help me, then please just be sure to do that. Also be sure to share with your friends, with your family, with your girlfriend, with your sister, grandma, aunts, uncles, brothers, dads, whatever you want to do. Also, I will leave my Instagram handle right here. Come on over, join the fam. I'm posting on there a lot more than I post on YouTube right now just because things are hectic. Okay guys, other than that, I think that is all that I have for you today. See you in my next video. Bye guys.